are broken swings. Children used to play at those. So I love to make vlogs in rain, and as you see, I don't have proper equipment to do that to actually work. So I am unable to show my face. So this is New Delhi. Time is 5:37 p.m. Oh, yeah, p.m. 8th of October. And look at the nature of this beautiful garden. I am in my actually running shoe. Actually, it's a cricket shoe, stud shoe. Nobody is in the park, and we should never miss the exercise. So I'm conveying this message. Doesn't matter rain or heat strokes, you still have to work out each and every day. If you are a true sportsman, you can understand my feeling. So let's start the running. I know it's gonna be very tough and maybe foolish, but I like the things doing opposite. So already we have our subscribers barking there. Some of our subscribers, not all, don't take it too seriously. It's all about fun, and I know there is a lot of problems in audio and video, but still, if I'm managing it, you can manage too. Oh, it's very tough. Look at that. Actually, there is a rubber track over there. I followed this way. I don't know why. Weather makes you do many stupid and courageous things at the same time. Let's see if we can complete our first round. Yeah. Oh, it's tough, but not impossible. So how many of you love to run in the rain? I hope you guys are on my frequency. I love that everything is so less crowded. Oh, only me and the nature come closest to us, talk with us. So this is the rubber track I'm talking about. Yeah. Now it will be fine. For my legs, for my feet, less slippery, more grippery. Wide camera actually provides you more shade. It's not that dark, but yes, nowadays we have a sunset on around 6:20. Come around the Indian flag. Indian flag is also wet, just like the economy of India. Yeah. What do you think? I'm feeling tired? Not at all. I'm feeling energetic. Yes, you're right. So we have some civilization on the road, the 9 to 7 life. Yeah, going in full flow, just like the rain these days, because there is a prediction of the rain. I read it before. So running in rain is actually quite good for your mental health, I think. And I'm not sure about my feet gonna be hot at the night, because they are taking much more pressure. I'm sorry, the video is not stabilized. You have to compromise as I will show the face. Going strong, going perfectly according to my thinking. Easier than other days. I recommend to run in the rain if you have some fine tracks like this. And of course there are obstacles, not so flat tracks. But this is like nothing for me, because I tracked Kedarnath trek, which is almost about than 20 kilometers. Oi, oi. Dogs here with some couple. You know. Okay, before Kedarnath, this is some temporary house of the wagers, daily wagers, who are making these things, those plots, for whatever reason, hired by government, and they live like this, cook the food, download here, they upload here. So if any foreigner is watching, I completed my round. This is the beautiful garden. These types of gardens we have in Delhi, all over India. And you know, that's a temple. I have many videos of these gardens. You can check. Those are broken swings. Children used to play at those. Still one is left. So the government didn't show any mercy on children who can enjoy their life there like we did. But it's almost same like 10 or 15 years before that also. There was not as excellent backup of government to improve such things. Look at that swings. Are you feeling nostalgic? Finally, scene is good. There are no stupid restrictions of mask and whatever. People are somehow in trouble because of the economic positions of their business, but also we have to set a thing in our mind that nothing is bigger than your health, your freedom. So young monks recommend all of you to do a little activity on daily basis that can really help you, help your body. Actually, what I adopt by all these things, that our body works on consistency. All the parameters in our body works on the consistency of whatever you're taking, whatever you are doing at regular basis, at which kind of amount. All of these things matter. Nothing matter else than this. You know, there are too many. Of course, I have also gained my weight, but I am not that active like in the past. I used to, but yes, I will clear this all along you. That's why I'm making this video. So give me some kind of motivation. It's not a electric pole, so don't worry. I'm not gonna die today with current, although I am very scared of electricity. Running in rain may heavy your clothes, but I'm sure running in rain help you to calm down on mental level. I'm not crying. This is rain. Look at the clouds waving too fast. Hey, stop. We need more. We need more. I love when nature doing the work. Whatever is done by nature is beautiful. Hey guys, this vlog is all about health, nature, rain. So please try this at nearby your home or whatever place you have. Right now, you wanna see my location? Those nostalgic benches. Take care of yourself. So be healthy. Take care. We will meet making some strange things, random things, non-typical things, non-scripted things, as my description says on YouTube. So thank you for watching this.